Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this NYX Lingerie XXL Matte Liquid Lipstick. So this is one of the products that I picked up in my big Walmart makeup haul. So make sure you check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. That's up here on my YouTube channel. And I also have to give a shout out to the MA Makeup Guy, whose channel you should definitely check out on YouTube if you're not familiar with it. And thank you to the MA Makeup Guy for recommending that I try out this product. It's one of the first products that I try out from that big Walmart makeup haul. So it's very helpful if you let me know in that video which products you're most excited for me to try out first. And so I'm hearing good things about this NYX Lingerie XXL. So I'm excited to put it to the test. It really does sound like exactly the type of lip product that I am always reaching for, and that's because it has 16-hour wear with no transfer. It's not supposed to crack, smudge, it's just supposed to stay in place, and that is exactly what I want out of my lip products because I don't want to have to worry about the lip color that I'm wearing coming off, transferring, smudging, anything like that. So this sounds perfect. I picked this up in the shade Candela Babe, and I think this might have been one of the new shades. This cost $10. It's cruelty free and vegan. And without further ado, let's go ahead and see how it looks. Ooh, cool applicator. It's like a doe foot, but it's a little bit more pointy at the top. And I thought it was hollow, but it's more like the inside is like pushed out. So there's like a little bump on top, and it's at a slight angle. It's kind of different, but I like it. This does have a smell to it. And the more I'm smelling it, the more it does seem like there's some sort of fragrance, like a vanilla sweet fragrance. But it also kind of smells a little bit like sunscreen to me. It's not like the best smell, but not bad. And also before I apply it to my lips, let's see what this swatch looks like. Ooh. So the color looks a little different, just like a little bit more orangey than it looks in the packaging. But that's some good pigment. Seems creamy. I'm very excited to see how this is going to be on my lips. Oh gosh, my lips are very dry and chapped right now. So this might not be the best product for my lips that are dry and chapped because this is matte. It might be drying, but I guess now we can really put that to the test. It's definitely going on so creamy. And it's also very like liquid, very slippy as I'm applying it. But it does say to give it like 60 seconds to dry down. But it's nice that it doesn't dry down right away. It goes on super creamy, almost as having like a balm feel as it's drying down. I have to say, I'm not loving the shade on me as much as I was hoping. And it could be because I just have really found my comfort zone in lip colors. And this to me like looked a little bit more pinky, but on my lips it's looking more orange. Maybe you can let me know in the comments down below what you think of this shade on me, because it might just be that I'm not used to seeing myself in more of this orangey salmon color. Maybe it could grow on me. And with this lasting 16 hours, I can have the time for this shade to really hopefully grow on me as I continue to wear it. But I love the look and feel of it right now. Now that it's dried down, it does have, I would say, like a creamy matte finish, but it definitely shows every line and crevice in the lips. I did get some on my teeth here. Something that I often notice with lip products that I really like is when they are smoothing, like they kind of plump up the lines in the lips and just, you know, smooth out the lips. This does not do that. It's not settling into the lines on my lips, and where my lips were chapped and dry, you can't even see the chapped, dry areas anymore. It is all even, smooth, opaque color. But it's like when I just have my lips relaxed, there's so much texture that I'm noticing right away. But it overall feels comfortable. Let's see about that transfer. Yes, no transfer. I love that. I'm very happy with the pigment. I feel like this would also be a good lip product to put a lip topper on top of because of those lines in my lips, the matte finish, having that shine on top could help with what's making me not love this so much, which really just is all the texture on my lips now. But you know, maybe like a plumping, a lip gloss on top of this could solve that. But for a nice drugstore, super long lasting liquid lipstick, this is definitely a great product, and it does come in so many different shades, definitely more of that nude shade family. So even though I'm not necessarily crazy about this color, I'm sure there's some perfect colors within this collection that I could wear instead. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.